Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Kibbe is a culinary superstar. Let's dive in. Start with 2 cups of fine bulgur wheat. Soak it in water for 30 minutes until it's soft. Some toast. Next, grab a pound of ground beef or lamb and mix it with the bulgur. Now it's time to bring in the flavors. Finely chop 1 onion and mix it in along with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of allspice. Knead this mixture until everything is well combined. Here's the fun part. Shape the mixture into small footballs or patties. To cook, you can deep fry them until golden and crispy, bake them in the oven, or even enjoy them raw if you're feeling adventurous. Serve with a squeeze of lemon and a side of fresh mint. There you have it, delicious homemade kibbe that's sure to impress. Give it a try and bring a taste of Lebanon to your table. Bon appétit!